This looks so natural. What?
Then you should make me your girl.
How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my YouTube channel and you do not know who I am, my name is Avery Brown. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome to my channel. Anyways, guys, if you heard by the title, today we are going to be doing a hair review. I got this hair from Jaja hair from Amazon. They sent me this hair in the mail and I'm excited to see what it is because I've actually been seeing a lot of this hair on like the internet, people wearing it, so I kind of want to try it for myself. So thank you Jaja hair for sending me this hair. This is how the box looks like when you open it. It's so cute, y'all. It's like pink and blue. It has like a bunch of colors on it. I love the pink though. I love when companies like ship their stuff in really nice packaging. I feel like it just adds to it, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. This is what came out of it. So I'm assuming this is the hair. And there's also more stuff in here. I see a bunch of other stuff. So the first thing that I see is this card. It just says Jaja hair. I love the fact that their wigs always come with a wig cap. I also see a bunch of different headbands. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my god. Alright, so it comes with, ooh, this is cute. I like this. So it comes with this floral type of headband, and then it comes with a cheetah print. Look at this. They got y'all with all the different designs. Like, look, the cheetah print, and then they have another floral one. Ooh, this is cute. I can't wait to wear this. This one's more like a purple slash bluish type of color. I love the fact that they give 3 other options of scarves for you to wear. Yes, you know the wig that comes with the headband? That's basically what this is. Also, y'all, this is 100% human hair, and you guys know how I am with the human hair. Like, I love the human hair. Synthetic hair are good too, but like I personally prefer human hair because it lasts a very long time. The hair comes with this cap on it, just to protect the hair. This feels so nice. I already know I'm gonna love this hair already. Like, oh my god, y'all, look at it. I love the length. Alright, y'all, so this is 20-inch. So the wig obviously come with the black natural band attached to it, which I think is good because, you know, they pick a color that is gonna go with everything. I love how it comes with the black one. And then if you do want to like change out the headbands, that's why they provide you with 3 other different types. The band in the front of the wig, it clips like that right in the back, and then it also comes with the regular hair clips to protect so the wig doesn't fall off your head. So I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna put this hair on. I'm gonna go ahead and take this hair off my head, this wig, and I'm gonna put my hair cap on, and I'll see you guys when I am done. The wig cap on, I'm gonna pull it back just a little bit. Y'all ignore my rough edges, but let's go ahead and let's put this wig on because I'm excited to see how it looks. I opened it, and if you see me looking this way, that's because there's a mirror right here, because I need to see how I look. I'm gonna push this back a little bit just because, by the way, my hair is in cornrows, so ooh, y'all, this is so cute. Oh my god, I haven't even tied the band yet. All right, so the hair, so the band is clipped in the back. Y'all, my edges are really disgusting right now, but I would definitely do, I suggest that y'all do your edges because you can leave it out so that it looks natural. But like, this wig feels so nice. Like, I don't want to brush the curls out because I love how it is already. Like, I don't want to take the curls apart. I love it. 10 out of 10. Look, this is how it looks if you part through it. If you want to put the hair in a bun, I'm pretty sure you can put in a bun and everything. I want to try the different headbands that it do come with, just because, you know, if you don't want to have the regular black headband because you feel like that's boring, obviously there's more options for you. So all you have to do is just put it on top of the black headband. When I wear my headbands, I normally like to cover my ears because my ears are super big. And yes, look at this, y'all. Headband wigs is lit, y'all. Did I say the cheetah print headband was my favorite? Okay, I lied. Okay, I'm sorry, I lied, you guys. This is my new favorite. Oh, this is cute. I feel like this kind of matches my shirt right now. Like, y'all don't see it, but like there's a little bit of like, what's it called, like type of color in there, you know. And this one's really tight. Like, I think I like this one more now. At this point, I feel like I can't even choose which one I like more. But I definitely love how this one feels because it's a lot tighter on my head. And I know that this wig is not going anywhere. So cute. Let me show you guys the back of the hair. This looks so natural. What? If you don't know how my natural hair looks like and I told you this was my real hair, I feel like you would believe me. This headband wig is it, y'all. Go down in the description and go click that link and go purchase your headband wig from Jaja hair, y'all. Really good quality. I'm telling y'all, it is worth the price. Like, look at this. Oh, sorry about the camera angle, y'all. So this is the back of the hair. If you was to put it in the bun, this is how it look. As y'all can see, I don't really feel the track showing. That's why it comes with the headband. First of all, I love the fact that there is not a lot of shedding. Like, I don't even see, the hair is not coming out. Majority of the time when you buy hair, the amount of hair that be coming off is a lot, and I don't see shedding like that. Number two, the second thing about it is that it looks natural. I love how natural this hair looks. The third thing that I like about it is the fact that they didn't just give you one like headband, like one black headband. They give you multiple options. So just in case you do want to like pair it with different outfits, you know, they got y'all. Like, thank you Jaja hair for sending me this hair. If you guys are interested in the hair, I am gonna leave the link down in the description, so please go ahead and go check out the hair on, or just go check out the page. You don't have to specifically get this hair. Go on their Amazon website and go look at all the different types of hair that they have. That is all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. And yes, a lot of you guys been saying that I need to start shouting out comments. So yes, I'm gonna start that in my next video that I do. I'm gonna start shouting out my first 3 comments. You guys, we're almost at 2K, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. I love you guys so much. Thank you Jaja hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.